channel. If you're new here, thanks so much for joining me today. Please do consider hitting that subscribe button as well as that notification bell so you don't miss any other videos. And if you're returning, hey Shug Muffins. Alright y'all, so today we got another synthetic wig review, and this wig does come courtesy of Sam's Beauty. So huge thank you and shout out to Sam's Beauty for sending me this unit. I truly appreciate it. So the wig I'm reviewing today is from Studio Cut. I have reviewed one wig from this company before, and this is in the style DPL-001. And I have her in the color number 2. Now, this is a natural deep part lace wig, and it does claim to come with Swiss lace, as well as a realistic natural hairline. So let's go ahead and dive on into the review, Shug.
So it didn't have to hurt this bad. Don't say goodbye. Don't do this now. Don't go. Don't go. Don't go. You should know why. My Gemini. My love. My love. My love. You found. You lost. Told me I was everything you wanted, and now I'm haunted. Your ghost is all I see. Is that you now? Try to reconnect, but what do you want? You never seem to know. I have a feeling that we never really move on from my past. Sometimes I just wanna go back, try to make it all undone. So it didn't have to hurt this bad. So don't say goodbye. Don't do this now. Don't go. Don't go. Don't go. You should know why. My Gemini. And my love. My love. My love. Don't say goodbye.
Alright y'all, so let's go ahead and get into my thoughts on this one. As you probably noticed, it took no time to style and install her. Like, super beginner friendly, y'all. Easy breezy. Throw on and go. Now, this unit is completely glueless, y'all. No glue whatsoever. I didn't even use my little infamous bobby pins on the sides. I didn't feel the need to. Which leads me to a con a little early. This cap is super snug. It ain't going nowhere. It is that tight, y'all. Like, I might be starting to get a little headache for real. Like, it's one approaching. That's how snug it is. So, my bigger hair friends, stay away. So I love how soft this unit is. I love the style. It has some little layers going on right here. Super cute. I'm not big on a middle part, but I still feel like it works for this style of wig. So I'm here for it. Now for the texture, I would give it light silky. It's not overly silky, but it's definitely light silky. There may or may not, it could be my imagination, but there could be a pinch, a mild pinch of yaki up in here. I really love the texture, honestly. It's actually giving me human hair vibes, for real. The only mild problem is that, I say mild because it's a little preferential, but the density is like, geez, it's not a lot of hair on here at all. It feels so fine and thin. However, it gives a very natural appeal. Very natural look. So, I kind of like it for that, honestly. I'm not normally a fan of light density. Like, I swear, if you feel back here, when you're wearing this thing, you can feel every nook and cranny up in this wig. For real. So if your foundation ain't flat, you gonna know. You gonna feel it. Because it's that thin. Now, you saw me go into the parting space and try to open it up a little bit. It was quite tight. It was very tight. Now I don't know why I had the same experience with the other studio cut unit I reviewed, which was DPL-003. Like, don't sell me a dream, please. Don't tell me that it has a natural hairline when it's nowhere near a natural hairline, okay? Nowhere near. There's no plucking of any kind that happened on this unit. I mean, none, honey. This hairline is dense as a mug. So, I mean, it's workable because it's the middle part. If you shift it, you probably gonna need some swoops. You're gonna need to add some baby hair probably somewhere. I didn't choose to use the baby hair this time because I didn't think it was necessary. I mean, it's the middle part. You know, I'm kind of hiding the hairline with this middle part. You know, baby hairs just weren't necessary, in my opinion. I think it's a nice, comfortable length. We are falling at about probably 20 inches. I think that's comfortable. Yeah, 20 inches is very comfortable. All right, so let's jump into the price. You can find this unit on samsbeauty.com for $25.99. There is an additional charge of only $1 for a specialty color. Now, I do have a correction because according to the website, this unit is 26 inches long. I wasn't seeing 26 here in the front, but it probably looks that way in the back, so that's what we're gonna go with. Well, that is all I have for you wonderful people today. Let me know what you're thinking about this unit down in the comments below. Let me know if you have her. Are you considering getting her? Let me know your thoughts down below. Thank you all so much for watching this video. I truly appreciate it. As always, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you have not, and I will be sure to catch you all in the next video.